Hi, Ellie. Great choice of book. The Rainbow Fish is one of the favorites. It's a classic. Definitely you're right about what you could be teaching with the book, relationships between students, the importance of sharing, putting other people's needs first. That's 100% appropriate. Definitely for younger kids. So I'm going to show you some rainbow fish art that maybe you've seen, maybe you haven't, I don't know. But if I was to teach this book, I'd definitely put some art to go with it. You could do something as, elaborate as maybe something like this, which might be a little bit tough for younger kids, but you could be simple as, color it by numbers. You could do, sequins and paper plates, and however you want to do it, but it's definitely a great jumping point for lots of different things, absolutely. So I like that you talked about your mom reading this book to you. I love that. So that made you feel like joyful and you were happy. And then when mom reads you books, it's always like that good connection, that good connector between the two of you. So you kind of have to think about that when you're taking that into your own classroom. Sometimes when we read books to children, that's what we want, is that connection with them, and they want it with us. So very appropriate book, great choice, and I appreciated your paper. Thanks.